Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sal. I'm about to show you a tutorial today on how to do the reverse reverb effect. There's two ways to do it. I'm gonna show you the easy Ableton way and then the way you can do it in any other DAW like FL, Pro Tools, or Logic. Real simple. I'm gonna show you. Let's get into it. You dig? We're gonna go into Ableton for this. All right. So the first thing you gotta do, I got two tracks up here. So if you want to grab yourself a reverb, a nice long reverb. So I'm gonna use Valhalla Room. I'm gonna use one of the Valhalla Room reverbs. Let me just grab a preset, something from, I'm gonna grab like a chamber, a large chamber. And then what you wanna do, this works if you got your vocals already recorded. It's probably better if it's already recorded, but I'm gonna just show you how to record it into it. So you want something long like this. Yeah. Take that, yeah, and you wanna reverse it. And I'll go into the sample, just go down here, you drop down to where it says reverse, and you just reverse it. You reverse the clip, and I should play in reverse. Hey. Boom, that's simple. So now, what you wanna do is you wanna freeze your track. So you just right click, go on to freeze track, and then you're gonna do control on the PC, option on the Mac, and you just drag it down. Boom. Hey. Hey. Either way. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is reverse that clip at the bottom, and now you got the reverse reverb effect. Yeah. That's simple. All right, so the only difference is when you're in another software, you just have to re-record it into another track. I'm gonna show you in Ableton now. So like in Ableton, we recorded it into this track, and they have an option where you can just freeze it and then drag it down. So if you're in another software, so the only thing you have to do is, I'm gonna just delete this one. I add a new track. All you have to do is re-record what you recorded into another track. In Ableton, it's called resampling. So all you have to do is just record it into another track. But yeah, I'm gonna play what we have so far. This is what we recorded in. Hey. That's the reverse. So what you want to do is just record that into another track. Hey. All right, and let's hear that back. Hey. All right, so, and just like before, all you gotta do is reverse this. And now you got the reverse reverb. Yeah. All right, so it's pretty much all I have for you today. Pretty cool trick, it's real easy. You can do it on some vocals, do it before an intro, do it before a verse. I actually did it before one of my verses on the channel. I think I did it for, yeah, it was Mosh Pit.